Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports, and today we're taking a look at this 2020 Harley-Davidson Road Glide. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This bike has 16,126 miles and does not pass New Hampshire State inspection. To pass New Hampshire State inspection, this bike will need a new front rotor and drums. It will also need new steering bearings. We measured this bike's charging output at 14 volts, the front tire at 330 seconds, and the rear at 530 seconds. We took this bike for a test ride and found that it runs, rides, and shifts well. We posted the service repair order for this bike so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this bike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. The oil cooler is bent, there are scratches on the front fender, and a scrape on the left saddlebag. This bike has one key and one fob. It comes equipped with ABS, cruise control, a multifunction 2-speaker audio system, and navigation. It's been upgraded with an S&S exhaust, a Fuel Moto Stage 1 intake, saddleman seat, aftermarket handlebars, handlebar risers, grips, mirrors, a gold chain, primary cover, rider floorboards, passenger footrests, a brake pedal, highway bars, saddlebag guards, extended saddlebags, rear fender fill lights, an integrated taillight, an aftermarket windshield, axle caps, shifter peg, an LED headlight, smoke from turn signals, a plate bracket, and a tank console insert. This bike has a clear title, and we have purchased a CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This bike is being sold as is without a warranty, though additional coverage is available. We also offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades. At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.